So for the past month of my YouTube journey, I've been posting 11 to 14 videos a week, and I'm going to school from Monday to Friday. And I've learned how to balance my school, this YouTube channel, and any other activities that I'm doing in the best way possible. So if you clicked on this video, it's probably that you want to be more productive, you want to be more motivated, you want to manage your time better. So today, in this video, I'm going to share with you the tips and tricks that I used for myself that helped me to be more productive with less time. Are you ready? Let's go. So the first trick is to use strategic and realistic plans. So what I mean by strategic plans is that you're gonna plan every single thing that you're gonna do for the week and schedule everything. You gotta know what you're gonna do for the week. You gotta know at what time you're gonna finish those tasks and identify which tasks are hard and which tasks are really simple. And what I mean by realistic plans and goals is, as it is obvious, you have to be realistic with your actions, with your abilities to finish a task. Also, some tasks need some more time and some tasks need less time. So if you are really realistic with your goals, you're gonna know, all right, this task is gonna be really hard, so I'm gonna give myself 2-3 hours. And for this one, I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes. So don't be just, I'm gonna finish this task in 30 minutes, but you deep down know you're gonna finish that in 5 hours. And not only help you to keep you grounded with your tasks because you know every single thing that you're gonna do, and also it's gonna be really motivating, but it will build momentum for you. And once you build momentum, I'm telling you, you're gonna be a robot. Trick number 2. Prioritize what is meaningful. So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm trying to balance my school with this YouTube channel and the projects that I'm doing. So sometimes these two just clash together. These two I have to do an assignment for school and I have to shoot a video. So at that moment, I have to decide which to prioritize. And I always choose what is meaningful. I just sit down and think to myself, all right, what is the task that's going to give me the best reward in a year, in 2 years, in 10 years? So whenever you get a lot of things at the same time, always realize, choose what is meaningful, what is purposeful, and will be fruitful in the future. Number 3, cut off the unnecessary activities. These are those little micro activities that you don't think they're gonna affect you in the long run, but when they're compounded in a week, in a month, or in a year, they're really killing your time. These are those 5 minutes scrolling in the bed, or 30 minutes in the toilet, those let's watch 5 minutes motivational video before I start my task, or sitting down and complaining and thinking about life instead of taking action to change it. Wasting 5 minutes a day is not a big deal, right? We have 24 hours a day, 5 minutes is really little, but in a year it is more than 1,825 minutes. So make sure you're not wasting your time doing those unnecessary, insignificant activities that won't have any reward in your future. Alright, this tip is now you're good managing your time, you're strategic with your plans, you're prioritizing what is meaningful, but that day comes, the day that you don't feel like doing things, the day you're not motivated, you're tired. Let me give this to Jock a wink.
Those days when I'm tired or worn out, basically sick of the grind. What do I do on those days? I go anyways. I go through the motions.
Yes, go through the motions. One thing that I can tell you is that every day is not going to be perfect. Every day is not going to be a walk in the park. There are going to be some days that are going to be sad, you're going to feel tired. So that is the time you go through the motions. To be honest, right now I'm really tired. The weather is not productive. I don't want to do anything, but I'm shooting this video. Discipline. If you procrastinate because of your emotional level, that's not the right thing to do, man. Your emotions are lying. So always be disciplined. Be in a routine and always do the tasks that you have to do, even if you're not feeling like doing them. Number 5, someone else will do it. Just realized when editing this video, at some point my camera had stopped for whatever reason, but just know that there's someone out there that might want it better than you do. Realize that when you stop, there's someone starting out there. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you next one. Ciao.